Reagan. Hey, how do you spell you?
What's up? Y-O-U.
Very good.
You.
How do you spell two? I can't hear you. Can you talk louder, please?
T-O.
Very good. How do you spell four?
R.
No.
H.
Four.
H.
F.
F.
What comes next?
O.
O. What's last?
R.
Very good.
4.
How do you spell in?
I-N.
Very good, Reagan. Do you know any other ones? No? Okay. What about the? Do you remember that one? The helicopter? No? Okay. Love you. Love you, Buttercup.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.